Hello, second graders. Geometry week number 2, lesson 4. Mrs. Lee here. Today you're going to be working on IXL V. And one of the sections is new. In the other, it's 3 and 4. The focus is on area. What is area? Well, the area is the space occupied by a flat space or the surface of an object. Area is measured in square units. We are going to head over to BrainPop to learn more about area.
Maybe we should paint this wall. Well, first, we should figure out the area of the wall. What is area? Area is the measurement of the space inside of a shape. You can calculate the area to figure out how big a room is, or how much carpet you need to cover a floor. You can calculate area to find out how much wallpaper you need, or how much tile you need to cover a wall. In our case, we can calculate the area of the wall to figure out how much paint we need. What are square units? You can find the area of a shape by dividing it into equal squares and counting them. These squares are called square units. This shape is 3 squares wide and 3 squares tall. There are 9 square units inside the shape. So the area of this shape is equal to 9 square units. Great, Moby. We can describe an area in square units. This rectangle is 10 squares wide and 5 squares tall. It has an area of 50 square units. What is the area of this shape? It's a little tricky because there are 2 half squares here. First, count the whole squares. There are 10 square units. There are also 2 half square units. 2 half square units make 1 whole square unit. So this shape has an area of 11 square units. How do you calculate area? What is the area of our class garden? I know that our garden is 6 feet long and 4 feet wide. We could divide the garden into 1-foot squares. There are 24 of these 1-foot squares, so our garden's area is 24 square feet. Instead of counting all the squares, you can multiply the length and width to find the area. 6 feet times 4 feet is equal to 24 square feet. Let's see. This wall is 4 meters by 2 meters. Multiply to find the area. 4 meters times 2 meters is equal to 8 square meters. Since we know the area of our wall, we can figure out how much paint we need. I think we've got enough paint, Moby.
We are going to practice together. What is the area of these shapes? How many square units are they? Well, we can count this green rectangle, and we can say that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. That is the area of it. Let's look at this blue rectangle. We'll count by twos this time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This rectangle is 10 square units. This yellow square is 3, 6, 9, 9 square units. And the area of this orange rectangle is, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 square units. Today you're going to work on IXL V3 and 4, answering area questions. Let's practice just a couple. The shape is made of unit squares. What is the area of the shape? We're going to count how many unit squares the shape is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is it. The shape is made of unit squares. What is the area of the shape? So we'll count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8 square units. And that is what you're going to be working on today in geometry. Have a great day, second graders.